if they graduate from this jet to go on to the Classic Hornet and possibly the Super Hornet Rhinos.
Of the 76 Squadron, Hawk 127 advanced aircraft. The lead, as Peter said, the lead in to the Classic Hornet and the Super Hornet. Students graduate from the PC-9. If they're going fast jet, this is the next seat they sit in.
Tight turning capabilities of the aircraft there, of course operated by both 76 and 79 Squadron Royal Australian Air Force. 76 Squadron, William Time, 79 Squadron.
Jet platform that we used on the pilots course, and there were many pilots, including myself, taught on the Mackie. This is now the Hawk 127. The Mackie trainer was used for lead-in fighter training, but of course with the advent of the Hornet and other advanced airframes into the RAAF inventory, the RAAF decided that the PC-9, whilst a great aircraft, probably wasn't the right platform for training, and so we picked up the BAE 127. A 34-week course from start to finish for those prospective fighter pilots. Two Hawks, in fact, flew from England, and the 32 aircraft followed were built in Australia.
Gentlemen, this aircraft capable of, well, you'll see up to 7.5 G full during these displays this evening. Quite amazing for a training aircraft. F-18 was made a lot easier than it could have been.
500 knots coming up.